Hello friends, welcome to Coder Thoughts. Today I will be sharing with you guys 5 ways of how you can use ChatGPT in your software engineering career. One is to obviously generate small utility codes with ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT cannot generate an entire application for you, but it can definitely generate some small snippets of code that you can easily copy paste. Isn't that we already do with Stack Overflow? Okay, let's just say that we got ChatGPT as a better option. Okay, so yeah, using ChatGPT would be a better option than Stack Overflow because you don't have to dig it deep for yourself. The ChatGPT generates the code for you. Now, yes, you would have to somewhat pay attention to if it is actually generating the code that is what is expected by you, because I did find some of the times when I was trying to tell it to generate something in a particular way and it quite did not understand what I wanted to say. So just make sure that the code it spits out is not going to production without testing. Second, you can use ChatGPT to generate documentations for you. Now, code documentation is something that is really tedious work. It's like writing what your code does and how it does, what are the input parameters, what are the output parameters. But ChatGPT can do that for you as well. Now, of course, it won't be able to do if you are using some kind of your company proprietary libraries, and also you should make sure that you are not doing that because then it could be a breach of your contract. But otherwise, if it's a generalized code, something that is kind of like a utility, you can ask it to generate a doc string for you. Third, you can use ChatGPT to ask for certain software concepts that you might not know and you can learn quite easily. Now, there are a lot of concepts, right, in terms of software architecture, software coding, and you might not know all of them. And that is particularly thing that is not in your hand. But ChatGPT can help you understand a particular concept in a short way and in a precise way. So you can use ChatGPT to understand certain concepts. Now, is that concept totally correct? Always? Not really. If it's a concept that is basically just new to the world, like it came in 2023, let's say, then ChatGPT might not give you a reliable answer. But if it is a concept that is there since um, before 2021 or before its data was trained, then it would definitely give you the right one. So with a small exception, you can easily rely on ChatGPT for that. Then fourth is to actually you can convert some of the pieces of code from one language to another if you want to do so. Why you would do it? Sometimes you just want to migrate your stuff to a newer code language or something like that, and ChatGPT can help you to do that. Then fifth, this one is quite interesting because you can use ChatGPT to actually ask about certain APIs of a particular SDK or a particular Kubernetes configuration, deployment APIs kind of stuff, which is quite accurate as long as you rely on a version that is before the trained date of the ChatGPT. So it might not know the new APIs and the new configurations that is available in the newer versions. But if you're using an old version, which many of the times we do, you can easily rely on ChatGPT to give you in a faster way. So I hope this video is helpful for you and you would start using ChatGPT to your benefit and making your efficiency even higher. Until then, goodbye.